It's Mocktail Monday, and you're invited to a slumber party of horror. Hello, and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today's drink is dedicated to the poor teens who were attacked at their slumber party by radioactive monsters from the Long Island Sound in the horror of Party Beach. To make the potion inspired by their sad story, all you do is add 4 ounces of Sleepytime Vanilla tea to a rocks glass with ice and top with lime soda. For even more spooky fun, use ice cubes with terrifying eyeballs inside. I got these at Michael's. Chilling. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquored Up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.